Welcome back. If you've been hurt on the job, it can be challenging to recover physically, emotionally, and financially. Our next guest can help you get back on your feet.
That's right. Joining us now is Alex Eichhorn. He's managing attorney for Pivot Work Injury Law. It's great to see you.
Great to see you as well, and thank you so much both for having me this morning.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Thanks for coming back. So Pivot Work Injury Law, formerly Access Legal, and you changed the name. Why? Why is this a better fit for you?
Yeah, it's a better fit because it just makes it more clear exactly what we do. You know, when I formed Access Legal, we weren't quite sure if we were just strictly going to focus on work injury law, and that is now abundantly clear. We want to help injured workers throughout the state of Wisconsin, and that is all we're going to do. And as such, Pivot Work Injury Law in the name says exactly what we do, so there's no more guessing. Makes it a little easier when you tell someone. You don't have to follow it up with we're work injury lawyers or something along that lines. So it just makes it a lot easier for branding and for coming on something like this.
I love it.
It does work. I like it.
We are big on tooting people's horns here, and for the 7th year in a row, you have been named to the Super Lawyers, named the list of super lawyers. That is impressive, and that also validates and gives credibility to us coming to you for our needs.
Well, I really appreciate that, and thank you for mentioning that.
Yeah.
It is definitely an honor. It's an award that you know, the judges and your peers and things actually vote on that and select you. So it's not you can buy a lot of awards, but this is one that actually means a lot. So thank you very much for mentioning it, and it is truly an honor.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
Alex. I
Thank
think that is absolutely awesome. Let's talk about the ways that your firm, how you're able to help workers, especially people, because I think about people whose bodies have been worn down over the years, because sometimes something happens and it's an emergency or it's a one-time thing and there's an injury. But other injuries are the result of many years of work and injury that happens over a period of time. Right?
Yeah, and that's exactly right, Molly. So one area that we really focus on is we have a campaign for worn down by work. And what that really means is it just has your body over the years been worn down more than it otherwise would have been. So an example I've used and I continue to use is a drop of rain on a stone. You know, after 1 year, there may not be a divot in that stone, but after 20 years, there's clearly a divot, and it may be all the way through. And that's how you should be thinking of the analogy for your back or for your knees. You know, if you're in construction lifting hundreds of pounds every day, is your back going to be worse than it otherwise would have been after 20 years? And the answer is clearly yes. And as long as your doctor agrees that, hey, you're 55 and you need that fusion, the question is, would you have needed that fusion but for your work activity? And I would say it's very intuitive. I mean, most people know that if you do something for 20 years, it wears you down slowly. So those are the cases that we really can help people with. And a lot of people don't know that's a case. They think it needs to be a barrel falling on them or you know, tripping and falling or something along that line. But really, a case where someone worked in one location, whether it be 5 years doing extremely heavy lifting. I did concrete for a number of years, and I know that even short period of time was like, wow, my back's feeling not great, you know. Someone in construction or a nurse for a long time, those are the claims that we definitely want to help you with.
I think that is so important because you're right. I thought that injury attorneys were for one specific incident. And there are a lot of people who are probably watching now and they just chalked it up to, well, that's just how it is. What sets you guys apart? People are listening to this and saying, okay, this might apply to me, but now I need to call you. What sets you apart from other injury attorneys?
I think the main thing that I hear from so many people, and we have nearly 200 Google reviews in the year and a half that since moving over to Access and now Pivot, and 5-star Google reviews. And really what that means is that we've been able to be there for people when they need us. We so frequently hear, hey, I've been trying to reach out to this attorney, they're not getting back to me, they're not getting back to me. We don't hear that frequently. That's not something, when you call us, you're going to speak with someone, or if we miss your call, we're going to be calling you back that same day to explain what benefits you're entitled to. And very frequently, you don't need a work comp attorney. So you really only need a work comp attorney once there's a dispute or a denial or work comp saying, we don't agree with your injury, we don't think it's work related. That's when you absolutely need us. But to call us is risk-free. Every member of my staff, but for the newest people, has been with me for the better part of a decade. And we've helped thousands of injured workers. So when you speak with someone from my firm, you're going to get valuable information. You are going to end that call feeling a lot better about what the future may look like and when you absolutely need the calls. And then we're going to continue to follow up with you over the months ahead. We have a system that makes sure that we're calling you and texting you and emailing you valuable information so that you know your case is in a good spot, and if not, give us a call.
I love that it's risk-free and that people are able to call and ask some questions and see if they have a case. Really quickly before we go, what are one of the biggest mistakes that people make when it comes to injuries at work?
Not reporting it. You know, I think so many people get injured and they don't want to bother their boss, or they think it's going to go away. And then, you know, you could be 2 years down the road and that trip and fall that you injured your knee, now you need surgery on, and you didn't mention to anyone. It looks fishy, right? Now you go to your boss when you need surgery, and I can tell you the work comp company is going to say, hey, this was never reported. All of a sudden now you need surgery, and now you remember it's work related. So if there's an injury that you believe is severe at all, report it to your employer. Get the necessary medical care.
That's such a good reminder.
Really
I'd
good
be
advice.
the one that just let it go.
Lets it go.
Yep,
I know.
that
Thank
would be
you
me.
so much, Alex. It was great to see you. Congratulations
Yes.
to you
Thank
on
you
your
so much
award
to
and
you
that
both.
distinction. So at Pivot Work Injury Law, they turn setbacks into comebacks. They offer free consultations for any Wisconsin worker injured on the job, no strings attached. Here's the number to call. It's 414-414-4814, or check out their website. It's pivotworkinjurylaw.com.